Hello and welcome to the Regis High School Open House. My name is Mr. David Bonagora. I am the chairman of the language department here at Regis High School, and I'm also a proud Regis graduate. I'd like to tell you a little bit today about our language program. We offer 5 languages here at Regis: Latin, French, Chinese, German, and Spanish. Students choose one language when they enter Regis and one language only that they will study for 3 full years with an elective option to take that same language for a 4th year. All our courses are taught at an advanced level. We use college level textbooks, and we use the latest teaching methods in language arts and second language acquisition skills. For students who have taken a language in the past, in grammar school perhaps, or are native speakers at home, we offer placement tests in May for accepted students to see if they would like to place into the level 2 of the language. Students who have serious proficiency in one of the languages that we offer will choose another language to study here at Regis rather than continue with that language with which they already know. If you have any questions about the Regis language program, by any means, please feel free to reach out to me via email. You can find my email address on the Regis webpage. I hope you enjoy your tour today. I'm sorry we could not meet in person, but we hope that your application process and your high school selection process will be fruitful and enjoyable for all of you. Take care.